Yo, every time Willow Nightingale comes on the screen, so instantly you smile. Not only just because of the fact that she's an amazing wrestler, but of course she's trying to sell.
I gotta give her and Mercedes credit. Those two,
yeah, I did see that.
Fucking
Okay.
Yo,
she's good. She's good.
It's the fact that you know that world title reign is coming.
That's a fact.
It's building.
She gonna be facing that division.
She really is, and that makes me smile because I know after the banger she put on with Athena last year for the Ring of Honor World. I'm gonna give you the subscription for Ring of Honor.
And I know she was tight after getting cut and all that shit. So
yeah,
good for her, yo.
Exactly. That's what it's.
And who's the dude?